And today, we're at a coffee shop to practice your real-world speaking skills. I will be your barista. You are the customer. When you see the text on the screen, read it out loud with confidence. Let us begin. Good morning. Welcome to the lounge. What can I get started for you today? A classic choice. Would you prefer that served hot or over ice? We have the best oat milk in the city. Would you like to add a shot of vanilla, caramel, or perhaps hazelnut? Understood. One iced oat latte and a muffin. That comes to $8.50. Will you be paying with cash or card? Excellent. Your delivery was sharp. Remember, in English, confidence is just as important as vocabulary. Do not stop here. Replay this and master it. Follow me for more modern English hacks. I will see you in the next lesson.